Video bomb.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I will show you how to do this very easy date and night makeup look. And for the eyes I have used the eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. This is the color icon in the color Comfort Zone and I have used only 4 eyeshadows. It is super easy to do and I will show you step by step how you can create this eye look. Let me know in the comments below what makeup look you usually do when you have a date night or you're going out with your friends. Do you do something natural or do you apply glitter, eyeliner? Just let me know. This eye look was requested from you and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Share this video with a friend that likes makeup tutorials. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to use is the light creamy eyeshadow with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, and I will apply it all over my brow bone. I always like to apply my brow bone highlighter first so I can make it a little bit more natural with the crease color and I can blend it a little bit better into my skin. Next, I take the light brown eyeshadow with brush 221 by Zoeva and I apply it into my crease. And I'm going back and forth into my crease. As you can see, this gives a beautiful color on my skin and I also blend it into my brow bone and outwards. After that, I will take the dark purple brown eyeshadow that we have and I will try to be very careful because this eyeshadow is very pigmented and it can go everywhere very easy. So I will take this angled crease brush by Essence. I will apply it in the outer crease of my eyes. And you can see how pigmented it is. I'm just trying to place the color, as you can see, only in the outer third of my eyelid. I will clean my brush on a tissue and I will blend it. And you can see that I have almost applied all over my eyelid because it is so pigmented. With brush 221 by Zoeva, I will just blend the edges. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take the same eyeshadow and I will apply it in the outer third of my lower lash line. And also take it into the outer corner. Again, I will clean my brush on the tissue that I have in front of me. And I will try to blend this because it is very black. After that, with an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I take the rose gold eyeshadow and I apply it all over my inner eyelid. And I am pressing the eyeshadow so it can be more intense. Also try to blend it with the dark eyeshadow that we have. With a pencil brush by Sigma, I take the same eyeshadow and I apply it in the lower lash line. With brush 221 by Zoeva, I will take again the light brown eyeshadow and I will apply it on my brow bone. I clean my smudging brush on a tissue and I take the same eyeshadow and I blend the edges of my lower lash line. With my smudging brush, I will take just a small amount of the dark brown purple eyeshadow and I apply it on the outer V of my eye. You can see the eye shape a little bit better now. I prefer it this way. With a pencil brush by Sigma, I will take the light creamy eyeshadow and I will apply it in the inner corner. With an eyebrow brush by Essence, I will take the dark brown eyeshadow that we have and I will apply it very close to my lashes. If you don't feel very comfortable with liquid eyeliner, this is an easier way to define your eye shape and make your lashes fuller. I will also apply the creamy eyeshadow a little bit on my eyelid. For mascara, I will use the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara by Essence.
Video bomb.
Now it's time to add some color to this face because I have not contoured, no blush, no highlighter. I am also testing the Glow Boosting Primer by Essence. I will have a card here if you want to see the review. And I will apply it with the brush 105 by MAC. I will apply some on the highest point of my cheekbone, which is here near my ears. And I will blend it towards my nose because I want to give an uplifted effect on my face. A little bit on my forehead because my forehead is a little bit longer and I like making it a little bit shorter. A little bit. And I also blend it into my hair so everything will be very smooth and you will not see a harsh line of contouring near my hairline. A little bit on my jawline. Try to blend it very well on your jawline because in person, if you don't blend it very well, it looks clownish. So with the same brush, I will also apply some on the sides of my nose. And we have some natural shadows here, so I just make them more defined. For blush, I will use this one by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the blush box in the color Glistening Pink. And I will apply it with the brush L by Zerva Cosmetics. And I also blend it towards my contouring. With no additional product, I just blend the edges. And I blend the two colors together. To highlight my face, I will use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the color Precious Petals. And I apply it on the highest point of my cheeks. I also blend it into my blush and contouring and on the bridge of my nose. This highlighter is not very intense. It blends very nice with my own skin color and it looks very natural and it looks very nice on camera too. After that, I use a big fluffy brush. This one is by Morphe. And with big circular motions, I will just blend everything together. On my lips, I apply Dewy-ful Lips Conditioning Lip Butter by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Let's Do This. The eye makeup is darker today, so I wanted something more natural on my lips. I like this one because it is the same color, I think, with the crease color that I have used. And I think it looks nice. You can also see two more looks with this eyeshadow palette. I will have a card here with the video. I hope that you will try this makeup look and that you will like it. For my date night with my husband, we will go somewhere to eat. Most probably Vietnamese or pizza. Yeah, and there is an amazing place in our neighborhood. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite thing about fall. For me, it is decorations, especially those small pumpkins and hedgehogs. And I hope that I will find some and have them in my living room. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!